first day of work today. Hey, boss. Ow! Sorry, boss. My bad. Oh, hey, Chris. Oh, hey. Ready to start working anytime. Got a lot of experience in this field and a lot of good memories, except the incident. But I'd rather not talk about that. Let's just get to work. Oh, yep, I see the problem. Yeah, I just need a couple fork clamps to fix this one.
Oh, the fork clamps? Yeah, those are in the toolbox.
The toolbox?
Yeah, the toolbox.
Okay. You said, toolbox, right?
Yeah, the toolbox. The box of tools. The toolbox! I can't do this anymore. I gotta go. What a nut job. Don't eat the yellow snow.